Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm the Ambitious Coder, and today we're going to dive into Kotlin and build your very first Android app from scratch. Whether you've never coded before or are switching from another language, this video is perfect for you. Kotlin is the preferred language for Android development, and it's super beginner friendly. So don't worry if you've never touched Android Studio or Kotlin before. We'll go step by step. By the end of this video, you'll have a simple Android app up and running. First, you need Android Studio. So let's go to the search engine and search for download Android Studio, and it should be the first in the results. Android Studio is the IDE we'll be using to write our Kotlin code and design our app. Once downloaded, open the installer and follow the instructions. It'll take a few minutes, so grab a coffee. When it's done, launch Android Studio. The first time might take a little while to set up, but don't worry, as that's normal. Now, let's create a new project. Click on the new project. Choose the empty views activity because it gives us a clean state to start from. Give your project a name. I'll name mine my first app. You can choose a different name if you want. Make sure Kotlin is selected as the language. Then click Finish. Alright, now that we have our project, let's start by designing the layout of the app. Go to the rest folder and open layout, then activity_main.xml. This is where we'll design the UI for our app. In this XML file, we're going to add a button and a text view so the app can display a message when we press the button. And I'm gonna be using the drag and drop feature that we have in the XML layout. Now I'm going to edit the XML code that we had it automatically generated by dragging and dropping the components, and I'm gonna do a little bit of edits. I'm gonna be changing the texts that are displayed inside the button and the text view, and I'm gonna give the text view a visibility gone so that it doesn't show. Now let's go to the main activity file. This is where we'll write the logic to make the app interactive. Inside the onCreate method, we're going to find our button and text view by using their IDs and set up an onClick listener to show the text view when the button is clicked. Now let's run the app. You can either use the Android emulator or plug in your Android device to run the app. If you're using the emulator, click on the Run button in Android Studio and it'll launch your app. Once it's running, press the button and you'll see the text view appear. If you run into any issues, make sure your emulator is set up correctly or check that you're using the correct SDK version in the project settings. And that's it! You've just built your first Android app with Kotlin. Simple, right? If you're excited to keep going, I encourage you to try adding more features or experimenting with other tutorials. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and make sure to subscribe for more beginner-friendly content like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.